Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark from Loose Screws Reviews, back again with another video. And today, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of a cordless vacuum cleaner. Portable cordless vacuum cleaner from a company called Hikeren. I hope I ain't mispronouncing that word, but the name. But anyway, you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all the business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? And you know, hitting that like button really helps the channel, tells YouTube you like the stuff that we bring into the content, and like I say, it helps the channel. Alright? Now we got all the business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. And like I said, I'm gonna be 2,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright, now we got all that business and politics finally out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, this is a cordless vacuum cleaner from a company called Hikeren, and I hope I'm not mispronouncing the name. Sorry if I am. I got this off Amazon, and the price is, let me show you where you can get it from. $39.99. And you know, it depending on the time, you see right here it's showing save or extra 5% off. That depends on when you're watching it, because by the time you see this video, it might not have that coupon. So you know, but you know, regular price is $39.99. All right. So where you can get it from? Here's the box, and that's all in the box. Basically, plain and simple. Like I say, if you're in the market for something, a cordless, you know, something, if you want to, you know, clean up quick little messes here and there, this is perfect. And you can take it with you if you want to clean out your car seat. If you got kids, you want to clean up crumbs out of the car seat, this would be perfect. All right, let's open this bad boy up. See what we get here. We got instructions, look like, and toss them to the side. And you got a little nozzle. Another little attachment, and the vacuum itself, and another little attachment. And oh man, this is pretty cool. Let's toss the box to the side. We don't need the box. This is pretty cool. It comes with a little carrying bag. That's a nice little touch, you know. Nice little carry bag, and it's a nice little touch right here. Trying to get a phone call while I'm doing the video. Come on, man, give me a break. Anyway, it's a nice little touch, because I have another cordless one from Ryobi, and it didn't even come with a carry bag. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna put the bag to the side and bring the starter show off, and then you got your power cord. Now I don't know if I have to charge this up before I use it, but we're finna see in a minute. I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Let's take this bad boy out. Bam. And let's see here. Right here. And let me read off some of the specs for you right here. The Hikeren handheld vacuum. Handheld vacuum cordless with a high power mini vacuum cleaner, handheld, powered by a lithium battery, rechargeable, quick charge tech, and a car. I'm reading this right off the site now. This is what they put on the site. Lithium rechargeable battery, because they got the words backwards over here. They said battery rechargeable, quick charge tech, for home, car cleaning, and wet and dry. On. So okay, you know, that I'm just reading off what they had right here on the description. And I'm gonna leave a link down below for the product down in the description box. I'm gonna leave a link for it where you can get it from on Amazon. Also, if you have any questions about anything about the product, leave your questions down in the comment section, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. All right. Let me see if I can find some more specs on this bad boy. Let's see here, because it's pretty much plain and simple. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. They have strong suction, deep cleaning, high power motor, advanced cyclone technology, and able to true enable a true strong suction power for high pickup performance. Wipe out everything at lightning speed. Okay, can be used in the car. You can use at home. It's a 30-minute routine. Enjoy thorough cleaning without the hassle of interrupting for charging. Using the kitchen, car, living room, blah 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 blah. Push the switch forward to absorb trash. Let's see. Notice. Turn off vacuum cleaner and handheld vacuum cleaner when charging. Okay, turn off when charging. Let's see. To extend the life of the handheld vacuum after continuously running for 30 minutes, you should let it take a break. That's what it said on the website. If you use it for wet use, please notice the height of the water and waterproof tube, whatever. Okay, that's no brainer. You must shut off the cleaner to open up. Okay, that's no brainer. Battery power should be kept neither too low or too high. Otherwise, it will it's not good for the battery life. Okay, I'm trying to see the pound. It weighs 2 pounds. 14.8 volt. It's got a 2200 mile lithium-ion battery, whatever you want to call it. Working time 30 minutes. All right. So that was just a little quick thing. Let's see if this got any power. Okay, looks like I gotta cut something off right here. Oh yeah, I do. I didn't see that right there. See the little tape right here? You can see, once you see the product, it's got the little company branding right here. Easy to take off. There's a filter. Take the filter out. It's a quick turn to take the filter out. Alright, lock it back in place and take it apart right there. For big stuff, big trash. And I didn't notice that they had this tape right. You see this tape on the handle? I guess that's to keep it from coming on during shipping. That's pretty good. That's pretty thoughtful, pretty cool right there. Oh, hope I didn't turn it. Oh, okay. That's so you can move it. I thought I broke something. You see that right there? Thought I broke something. All right. Let's go ahead and put it back together. Okay. We got juice. Here's some of the attachments. You have like something to go in between the seats of your car, or in between the seat or your sofa or couch, whatever. Okay, that's right in there, little brush attachment. And then you got your hose. Now I'm thinking the hose is for like when you're doing the wet stuff, but we're not going to demonstrate the wet stuff today because I just got it. Just want to do a quick test out for you. And there is the charging cord. I'm gonna plug this charging cord in just to see what it does when it's plugged in. See if any LEDs or something that come on. All right, so I'm gonna pull this cord out a little bit. See where okay. You see the side of it? I should have been showing this already. You got the little nice little white design right here. See the bottom? It tells you it passed. And then you can pause this, read it for yourself, give you some more specs on the bad boy. 100 watt power. And there's a power button right here. And that's a quick release. And there's a little LED to let you know it's on. Let's go ahead and this is where the power, you plug the power cord in right here. Give me some more slack on here so I can get this bad boy working. Okay. I'm going to plug it in. Okay. As you can see right here, that lets you know it's charging. So I would say when it's fully charged, that should turn green or blue, whatever. But right now we're going to, because it says, keep it unplugged when you're using it. Because I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the suction power. Hopefully I have enough juice to suck up what we're going to do. I got some scratch paper from a shredder. We're going to see how it does with that. Not going to give too much. Just get a little bit out here. Put it on the desk. Scatter it around. Let's see how it works. Alright, ready? Here we go. Okay. You see it filled up pretty quick. And then, like, this might be a little bit too big because it sucked up so quick. You know, clogged up a little bit, so I'm gonna empty it out. Yeah, because I put a little bit too much on there. But just trying to get a quick demonstration so you see them. I'm gonna empty. I'm gonna take this off, empty this out real quick. Bear with me. Empty some of it out. Put it back together. Make sure you get it, lock it in there, lock it in place. Alright. Clean it out a little bit. I might, for demonstration, I probably put a little bit too much paper out here. Just trying to rush through things. Alright. Make sure I got it on correct. Alright. Oh, I had paper right there. Okay. I got it all on tight. Let's go back. I'm gonna put one of the attachment hoses. I'm gonna put the attachment hose on here. And then, like I say, you know, this is like basic for little small stuff like crumbs and stuff like that. Probably wasn't meant for, like, you know, what I'm doing right here. Paper from a shredder. Let's turn back on again. Just getting all of it up. There you have it. Everything. Man, picked up everything real good. As you notice, I had to put this on to make sure I got all the paper up because it doesn't have a large capacity. Just like I said, this is meant for small jobs, not large. There's little small little messes here like crumbs from cookies. Some of your kids leave cookie crumbs in somewhere. You want to vacuum them up, or you want to vacuum out your seats in your car. That's what this is meant for. It wasn't meant for all that big stuff like I just did. I don't know, big things of paper. This was just small jobs, you know, crumbs here and there, whatever. But overall, pretty decent for the price. Pretty decent and portable. Yeah, I think this is pretty decent. As you can see right there, it picked up everything. And let me take this apart and see everything is stuck in here because, you know, it doesn't have a large capacity. So it's pretty decent. Let me go ahead and empty it out again, and so we can so I can vacuum the rest of it up real quick. All right. Alright, got that twisted locking on. Alright. Now I got paper all over the studio, just dropping all over the studio. Trying to hurry up and get this review done. Alright, let me go back in here. I'm gonna toss that to the side. Damn, all gone. Let me demonstrate the suction. Let's see, I got a sticky note here. You can see the power with a sticky note. Damn. Got some good suction power. So yeah. This has been my little quick review of the Hikeren handheld vacuum. Pretty decent vacuum cleaner. You know, you're portable, something portable for the car. You know, or little small jobs around the house, like, you know, like little cookie crumbs in the seat or the chair or whatever. This is pretty good. If you know, if you know you got if you need a little something like this at your office, at work, or something, you want to clean up your little area in your little cubicle. This is pretty decent. Not bad. Not bad. I'm impressed. Not bad. And plus it comes with a carrying case. So you just stuff the bad boy right here in the carrying case. And then you put your little attachments inside. Fit in here like so. Then you take your charging cord, kind of stuff this, find somewhere to stuff it in there. Everything fits in here nice and compact. Yeah, this will be good to keep in your vehicle. This is what I recommend keeping in your vehicle. It's just, just got to make sure it's charged up. But that's pretty cool. Little carrier. That's nice for the price. And like I said, right now I got a little 5% off. So hey, but even at the regular price, this is pretty decent. Because like I said, I have another one, another cordless vacuum cleaner. It didn't even it's a little bit bigger than this, about that bit much bigger. But it didn't come with no carrying case. This is cool, so you can take it with you on the go, like you're going on a vacation or whatever, and you got the kids in the car. You want to vacuum out the car seats and all that kind of stuff, cookie crumbs, whatever kind of food crumbs. This is what you need right here. Like I said, got the little branding on the side, pretty cool. Yeah, just on the one side. Unzip it. Take your vac out. See the little piece of trash right there? You get that junk out of the way. Get out of my area. Get out of here. Bam. Suck it right on up. There you go. Alright. That's been my little review of the Hikeren handheld vacuum. So if you, like I say, you're in the market for something like this, this is a pretty decent pickup. And this will be a good gift for holidays. We're in the holiday season right now, so Christmas is coming. So this would be a pretty good Christmas gift, to give away to somebody, to keep in their car, so yeah, pretty decent. Alright. And I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out the video. And please go ahead and hit that like button that lets the YouTube algorithm or whatever, tongue-tied, lets them know that you enjoyed the channel and the content. And it, like I say, it helps the channel. And like I said, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend. And once I get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to be doing giveaways of some of these products I review right here on the channel. So once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to start doing some giveaways on some of the stuff that I review right here on the channel. So stay tuned. So that, like I say, with your support, we'll get to that 2,000 subscriber mark. And it'll be a party. We just go ahead and do what we do, alright? Appreciate your time. And like I say, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? The message for the day is, don't be afraid of failure. Because if you don't fail, you'll never know. If you don't try, and if you don't fail, you'll never learn how to succeed. Because like I say, everybody who's been successful, they've failed trying to get to where they are. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just don't hit it on the first try. You know what I'm saying? So hey, when you failure, all it is a learning experience to teach you how to do things better the next time. Alright? Alright, so that's been the message for today. Don't be afraid of failure. Everybody fails at something, but then you knock the dust off yourself, get back up, try again, and then you'll be successful. You know what I'm saying? So don't be afraid of failure. Alright? That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.